Hey everybody, Tom Sparks with Sparks Media Group. I wanted to show in this video what to do when you get an email from iGUIDE saying that one of your tours is going to expire soon. I have a client who has a bunch of properties around, and we've done iGUIDEs for those properties, and so they want to keep them active indefinitely. And so each year I get a notification saying that the iGUIDE view for this particular address is going to expire in 2 weeks, and it will be automatically locked. If it's an active listing, click the button below to extend the iGUIDE view expiration date by 1 year. Currently there is no annual renewal fee. So this is very simple. Here's what you do. You're going to click this button, and you can see it expires June 5th of 2025. So we're going to extend it by 1 year, and now it expires May 23rd of 2026. So that's how you would extend it by 1 year. But if you have a lot of properties, we're going to pick one that's expiring pretty soon. We're going to put the address in. Here's what you're going to do to extend it further than a year. Click on Edit, and you'll see the expiration date of 5/6/2025. We're going to change that to 2028. We're going to hit Save. Now if you go up to the top, Default View, you'll see that it now expires in June 5th, 2028. So the first option is really quick and easy. You can just click the link, hit Extend, and the second option, you're going to hit Edit, and then you're going to change it to whatever date you want. And this is if you wanted to do it past a year and you didn't want to have to keep getting renewal emails. So there you have it. That's how you extend the expiration date of an iGUIDE 3D virtual tour. If you have any questions, comment them below. Give the video a thumbs up if you like it. If you find it useful, feel free to share it. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do so. I would appreciate it. Alright guys, thanks for watching.